So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo for free. Okay, so before I begin, guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. And if you're new here, I'm Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials and how to create an online brand. So let's begin. So the first thing is, it's really simple. Just go to this website called hatchful.shopify.com. Just click on get started, choose whatever your category is. For me, it's gonna, let's say for me it's gonna be fitness. I'm gonna create sports. I'm gonna make it more energetic, and then just click next. And then business name would be Yavar Power, and my slogan would be nothing. I don't want to put any slogan because I am Yavar Power. So let's click next. For me, it's gonna be for my online store. Click next. And then, guys, here you go. You have a free logo just in 1 minute. And for me, I really like this one. And then you could just put your title. You could change the fonts. You could change the color. So I think so I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna choose the color as well. I like a little bright, so I'm gonna choose this one. Then next, and just download the logo. I think so you need to put your email ID, and once you put your email ID, they're gonna send you the logo and it will look really good. And that's it, guys. I hope you really like the video. And the bonus, I told you, I have a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. This will help you build your online brand and you can start earning money with it. So the link is down below. And if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.